So we got an 04 Nissan Sentra SCR Spec V, and we're going to be adding this housing in to this broken fog light. And I got this at the junkyard over at Pull Apart here in the city, Louisville, Kentucky. Not sure if you guys have heard of it, but I found this there. It costed me $7 and like some change. Had a little crack in it, so I put some hot glue over it. You can see that right there, just for some extra support. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in, and this is gonna be what holds up my fog light. Okay, so we got these bolts. One right there, this bolt, and I think that's it. So we're gonna take those out. Okay, so we finally got it in. Looks like all you're gonna do is tighten these couple bolts back up. I'm not even sure if you can see this. And this goes on the outside, so you're gonna have to push this in, the whole housing. If your fog light housing breaks, at least you can replace it. I honestly thought I was gonna have to get a whole new bumper. So this is very convenient. I'll take this over getting a new bumper any day. Alright, well, that's basically the job right there. It's in there now. I just need to put this last bolt in. But other than that, that's how you put in your housing for the 04 Nissan Sentra SCR Spec V.